show me and show me your nails. Oh, that's good. Very good. Good. Dhaulagiri. Next, which one? Annapurna. Next, you have? Last. Which one is last? Last is Masam Sen.
Four times. Okay. Sorry. तिम्रो मध्येमा तिम्रो जुनसुकै पनि आउन पाउँछ है
Next. What is this? What is going on here? Election among students. Oh, today's Friday and in your school election is going on among the students. Very good. What do you say? Election? What do you say? What is going on? Are you getting medals today? No, you are getting medals. Today. Huh? English class you study? Grade 6. What is going on here? Voting for what? Vice captain or vice captain? Oh, so good. So one of the candidates? Are you also one of the candidates? Huh? Our ideal program at Sri Chamunda English Boarding High School is going on today, and very soon it is going to be over, and all the students took part with the teachers, and there was house selection and the election both today. All the students seem very happy because of the election, and let's see who will win the captain and vice captain. Thank you.